Hi everyone, welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. Today we are going to see part 3 of Power BI. In this video, we are going to learn very profound subject and how Power BI identifies a location. Identify the location can be city, can be region, can be country, and how it identifies the data and how it gives the map. So the icon which we are going to discuss is the map. Okay, I have a data. All I'm doing is I'm just importing the data from my local machine, and this data I have taken from the Wikipedia. Okay, and I'm downloading the data, and it may take few seconds. So this is the Excel file I have, and this is the sheet tab I have. So tab name is sheet 1, and it also gives the preview model also as well, right? So it gives like what are the columns which we have in that particular sheet. It will come down here. So all I had to do is I had to wait for a few seconds, and it will give what are the data which I have. It will come down here. Okay, it's keep reviewing the data. Okay, let me give okay. So now the data has been loading into Power BI, and it will form the table and all that. And you can also watch my previous video where I touch upon how to import the data more in detail. And this is the data we have. So all you need to do is always go to your data and check whether data has been loaded properly or not. So this is the rank, and this is the country, and this is the water. So particularly we are going to discuss how much water, percentage of water each country have got. For example, India has got 9.55 percentage of water, and then you have a Libya has got a very less water, almost zero, and like this South Africa 0.38 percentage of water they have got. So how to do this is the data. I'm just rechecking it whether all the data set is being properly mapped. So I'm going back to the report, and all I had to do is I had to select this map. Okay, and this is the window. It will come up. Then I need to tell that which are all the fields which I'm going to select, right? So this is the sheet 1, and I have a field name called country 1, and automatically when I give that automatic whatever the country name it is, it automatically will map here. And then water, I'll add the details called water, right? So, and let's go in focus. Yeah, so if you see here, this is the India. So as you all know, 9.55 percentage of water we have, and then Pakistan 2.86, and then Afghanistan less water, and then Iran 7 percentage water, and Saudi Arabia 0, and Yemen 0, and then you have Egypt 0.6, and it goes. So this is the one. It quickly identifies the data and it locations, and then it gives it. Even you can do it. This is I have done it country wise. You can even do it is region wise or the city wise also as well. So it also give the background and all that. So again, if you wanted to slice dice, you can absolutely do that. So creating the map using Power BI is much easier and much faster. All you need to do is you need to ensure that your spelling of that country or the city is correct. And when you import the data, the report gets ready. So this is one example. And it identifies properly like Australia 0.76, or it identifies the data in few seconds, and it takes a very less amount of time. And this is a really great tool of productivity, and you can have a use it. Thank you so much. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful